Welcome back to Brian's Bathroom Reno. Here we are. So, I got the shower basin and the toilet. Groundwork was done, no problem. Leaky tub waste and overflow. Now I'm going to point out quite a few things that are wrong with this old one and why I want to change it out, okay? So for one, the P-trap that they used has a union on it, and that could loosen over time. So this here is the overflow drain on the tub. Interesting how they used a Fernco to go to the brass waste and overflow. Okay? So now that we're doing the bathroom reno downstairs, let's replace it. So for this tub drain removal, I'm going to start with a regular tub tool. All right, so I got this old drain out, and we also got a free drain cleaning with this replacement. There's what we're left to work with. Now we go down below. Once I get this whole old waste and overflow out, I'm going to show you why there are so many possibilities for leaks on this style. Okay, here it is, removed. Okay. Looks familiar, right? You can see how that was in the bathtub. So, 1 wrong, union P-trap in a concealed area. 2 wrong, a trap adapter, right? Another compression gasket type of joint. The old waste and overflow did have a lot of these style of fittings, so I guess that was the time, but this one here was loose and leaking. It just popped right out. Yes, from brass. But now these guys would have had another problem, because this gasket here, this rubber gasket, was in the tub. Next, we'll be going over the parts and pieces of the Canthlas waste and overflow lift and turn. Okay, one of the first things that I do is I make the 90 and this fitting. You have one option of doing it this way, which I believe is called the indirect waste, or sometimes it's more helpful if you put it into the T and then have a direct waste, and then this 90 will go to the overflow. But today we will be doing it the indirect method. Give that a slight twist. Be very careful you don't get any glue in the threads, right? So while the glue is drying, leave it this direction and not upside down. Now another trick that I will tell my viewers is to take the drain body here and do some pre-threading into that ABS, because one of the most crucial parts, in my opinion, is this connection with the bathtub in between. So in order to make sure that those threads are going to take this drain body really well, I'll do a couple of pre-threads to work them in a little bit. The idea is you want to not cross-thread this. Okay, another important note is this rubber gasket goes under the tub, not in the tub. Here's a big thank you to all the plumbers or whoever is using silicone on their tub drains. Okay, some of my viewers who are plumbers may find this very interesting. I would say that that old tub drain had been cut out once before, and they didn't have the golden tub extractor, golden tub drain extractor like I do. So sometimes guys will cut those old drains out, and this tub definitely has seen better days. A lot of love put into that hole. Okay, there it is from underneath. Now I'm going to get this fitting started. Okay, so after some careful measuring and fitting together by myself in 3 different rooms, I'm finally ready to glue a little bit of this waste and overflow up so I can proceed to the next stage. Okay, so I finally got the tub drain started. And it's threading in very nicely. That's how it should be, right until the very end. No resistance. No cross thread. Now, I use this to help hold it up temporarily. I'll take that off and put the gasket behind the tub. Okay, let's tighten this down a bit. So the rubber gasket is behind the tub, in between the tub and the ABS for the overflow. Okay, now it's time to connect the P-trap. As you can see there, I'm using a gluable P-trap, no union. There's the T. And it looks like it's a little under the joist. So I think I'm going to move it up into the joist with a new T. Okay, there we have it, repiped. A little better angle for drainage. Gluable P-trap, waste and overflow kit, all done. Coffee's still warm. So, if you have something like this in your house, give me a call. I'll come. See this? If I run a drain auger in there, this might loosen off. You didn't have a leak in your ceiling. Nice. Not very. Got something like this, give me a call if you see it so that we can replace it and get it done properly. Bye for now.